Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop, a powerful pre-built PC that's perfect for gamers who want reliable performance right out of the box without spending a fortune. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description to grab this at the best discounted price available right now. This system comes packed with some serious hardware. It features the Intel Core i5-14400F, part of Intel's 14th gen lineup, offering a hybrid architecture with 10 cores and 16 threads. It's fast, efficient, and handles gaming and multitasking like a champ. Paired with it is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, an excellent GPU for 1080p and 1440p gaming. You'll be able to run modern AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Warzone, and Hogwarts Legacy on high settings with great frame rates and support for ray tracing and DLSS 3.0. It also comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, giving you fast memory performance that's future-ready and perfect for heavy multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple tabs and apps, it stays smooth. Storage is handled by a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which means super fast boot times and plenty of space for games and files. One thing that really stands out is the 80+ gold certified power supply, something you don't usually see in mid-range pre-builts. It ensures efficiency, stability, and long-term durability. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and even a keyboard and mouse combo included, a nice bonus if you're just starting out. The case has good airflow and a clean design, and it's DIY friendly, so upgrading parts down the line won't be a hassle. Final thoughts: for gamers looking for a reliable, high-performing system at a fair price, the MSI Codex R2 South African RAM is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, quiet, efficient, and ready to play right out of the box. Make sure to hit the link below for the best deal, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out.